Ever felt like life is full of confusion? Your heart says something else and your brain says something else. Clarity seems far away. That's exactly when we need something deeper. A voice that cuts through the chaos, and that voice is Bhagavad Gita. It is not just scripture, it is a guide for life spoken on a battlefield, but meant for the battles inside each of us. In the Gita, we find four powerful yogic paths: bhakti, jnana, raj, and karma. Bhakti, deep devotion and surrender to the divine. Karma, selfless action without attachment to the results. Jnana Yoga, the path to knowledge and wisdom. Raj Yoga, mastery over mind through meditation and discipline. So, these four parts of yoga are not just theories, they are tools, a medium. They help us evolve to act through purpose, love with purity, think with clarity, and live with awareness. Imagine upgrading your inner world one verse at a time. That's why we are bringing you shloks from the Bhagavad Gita. Explained simply to inspire every heart, every age, and every stage of life. So let's begin the journey of not just reading, but living the Gita. As it's not just a book, but a way of being. Please like, share, and subscribe.